What's going on? Why does it smell like old candles and bad decisions?
Found this weird book in the attic. Says we can summon a minor demon for chores, revenge, or just to vibe.
Summon one to wash these dishes. They've been growing life. Sure. Let's summon Beelzebub to clean the sink. What could go wrong?
Y'all ready?
Nope. Do it. That better be special effects and not the toaster again. Yo, why is my popcorn levitating? Who dares to sue? Wait. Why do I feel like a microwave with emotions?
Jake's the demon. He is the demon.
Man's been a little off since 6th grade. This just confirms it. I don't like this. My eyebrows are vibrating and I just heard Latin in my head.
It says, do not let the host sneeze.
Oh no. Chew. Why am I holding this? Why is it humming Beethoven?
Put it down. Jake, sneeze backwards or something.
I don't know how. My knees just turned into smoke.